Hello Aquarius, how are you all? Welcome to November, and today we will guide you for your love and career both. Okay, so let's see what is going on in love with you and career. This is a general reading, guys. Take what resonates with you, and if my reading are resonating with you guys, so please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below section. Okay guys, so let's start for our Aquarians. What are there for our Aquarians today? Angel Spirit, please guide me for Aquarians. What is there for Aquarians? Okay, I got two cards here. I feel you are addicted to something or someone still. Most of your person could be addicted to you. Okay, they can't live without you, Aquarians. Okay, this could be a Scorpions. Okay, they could be a Scorpion. For some, they could be a Pisces. See, they want to offer you a cup, but they are not coming to it. This is a karmic situation, whatever it is, or a karmic cycle. Okay, most of you can deal here with your twin flame. Aquarians, let's see what is there for you more in love and career. Right now, I'm doing for your love. Aquarians, what is there for love? Okay, I won't take this card. I'll take two cards. Okay, many cards fall off, so I won't take it. Spirit, please guide me for Aquarians. What is there for Aquarians in love and career? Okay, I got death. I won't take these cards. You are in very heavy energies, guys. Aquarians, most of you are going in spiritual awakening right now. You had a breakup with this person in past, or most of you are having breakup right now with this person, and most of you Aquarians are in spiritual awakening. Okay, you will go beyond to the illusion, and most of you will face a big reality. Okay, whatever it is right now, it is regarding to your past lives. Okay, this person can be addicted to you, or you could be addicted to them, and they are little bit of devilish energy. Most of you are not leaving your bad habits here, like drinking, smoking, or anything. Most of you Aquarians are not leaving here your bad habits. Let's see what is there for you, or your person could do for you. This, the Tower moment. See, I told you, you had a breakup, guys, in past with this person, but this person is still addicted to you. Okay, and you guys are having spiritual awakening, or you could have breakup in this situation also at November. Okay, for most of you, you have already get out of the past, and you are having spiritual awakening right now. You are having a death of your past, but this person will again come to you because they are your past partner. Okay, they could be from your karma, and you are associated with the past lives, and see, they are addicted to you, or you are addicted to them. Take what resonates with you. This is a general reading. Okay, see, I feel like most of you guys, you or this person will make a decision. Okay, Aquarians, and they could be a Libra if you're dealing with, or most of you are dealing with a Scorpion, Pisces. Let's see more what is more there. They want to come towards you, but they are stuck right now. Okay, with many parties around them. Okay, their friends are very poisonous, or their parents, their family are not letting them come towards to you, and most of you, they will come with Page of Pentacles, which is they will offer you a marriage offer or engagement. Okay, you must be guys thinking why there is always past, because I don't know, for most of people you are in a twin flame. For most of you, this can be a karmic partner, Aquarians. Okay, but most of you, this is a twin flame energy. What I am having a feeling from this, they are your past lives connection. Okay, guys. So take what resonates with you. This is just a general reading. See, You will have abundance with this person for sure. And regarding career, what I am having a feeling that you are having a spiritual awakening. You had lost your jobs, career, business, okay, but you are having a big spiritual awakening right now. You are making some decisions. Universe is with you, Aquarian, so don't worry. You are fighting a lot. You are struggling a lot with many people for your property, business, career, okay. Many people are stopping you, don't do this, don't do that, but you are not. You are having a big victory over here. Universe is with you. You are having full of abundance, lots of abundance, money, okay. In this quarantine, most of you are having lots of wealth, Aquarians, and most of you are dealing with your twin flame also. Some of you are out of your karmic situation, okay. But this person, this man or a woman, they could be very wealthy regarding their job, career, okay. Right now you are very wealthy, okay, Aquarians. Let's see what is there for your career. Then again we'll go to your love, because most of people come to me, ma'am, why don't you do love readings and all. Okay, I am doing love readings in your zodiacs now, so here it is. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for Aquarians at November for career. You are tired of something, guys, okay. I feel there were some bad conditions for you in the past regarding right now. Also, most of you are going in struggle and you are very tired. You are very sick. Most of you are in depression, okay. You just want to relax. Let's see more. Knight of Swords, something is coming towards to you very faster, okay. In love, I'll say this person is very mad towards to you. They are very badly addicted towards to you, and they see you very sexually, okay. They have very high drive and all, so they will definitely come towards to you with a big offer, okay. For some it could be a marriage, for some it could be a engagement, and if you are married, your love will strive very high level, okay. And let's see what is there in love more for my Aquarians. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there in love for my Aquarians. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for my love for Aquarians. Reconciliation, I told you, no, this is your person is from past and they are definitely addicted to you. They watches you from far, Aquarians, okay. They are stalking you right now on social medias. They wants to come towards to you. They wants to travel towards to you. If you are in a long distance relationship, most of you, someone from your past is returning to your life. See, you will have a reunion with this person. And let's see what is more for you. Love yourself first, okay. I feel you guys are really tired now. You guys have stopped loving yourself, okay. So look at your mirror and say that you are beautiful, you are handsome and all, and see the changes, okay. Apply love oil or anything, road opener oil to your neck or at your this thing. Put a candle and meditate in present that everything is good with you regarding your love life, your partner, and also everything will be good. There is a honeymoon, again a past life relationship for some. This could be a karmic partner or from karmas, okay. You will get this partner from your past. Now what is past life? For most of you don't know, this past life you will get from your karma, which is like past connections, okay. You knew this person already from your past, and for most of you this person is from past, you know them already. Right now you are dealing them, most of you are in a separation, and most of you are here talking to them. There is on off situation. They are your true love. At the end I'll say you will get your true love. Like whomsoever you are thinking of, Aquarians, they are your true love, and they will definitely uplift you, whether they are from past or new. But they are coming with a big offer now for you guys. Okay, now let's see what is overall energy for you at November, career and love. Angel Spirit, please guide me for Aquarians. What is there for Aquarians at November? Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Aquarians at November? Okay, I got one card. Change. See, I told you there will be some changes. For some of you, you will get out of this karmic situation. For some, you will have positive changes. You are in a twin flame. Okay, guys. You will have a reconciliation for sure. This person will come with a courage towards you, and you will be having a courage too towards your works and all, and you are having a big courage, like how flowers grow. So you are a flower growing like a flower. Okay, so this is your energy right now. Courage. Let's see more. You have to come at reality. Okay, you are living in so much of illusion right now. So whatever the situation is, start facing reality. You will get whatever you want. Playfulness. They want to flirt with you guys. Okay, your partner. And they will definitely come with you in प्लेफुल एनर्जी. बच्चों की तरह आएंगे. हो सकता है आप में भी कुछ में बचपना हो सकता है. ओके, यू आर हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ चाइल्डहुड थिंग्स इन यू, चाइल्डहुडनेस एंड ऑल. बहुत ज़्यादा बचपना है. एंड यू आर वेरी प्लेफुल विद योर वर्क, विद योर पीपल अराउंड यू. ओके, और विद योर पार्टनर. दिस पर्सन कुड बी ऑल्सो इन अ प्लेफुल एनर्जी. Right now this person knows how to come towards you, but they don't know how to open that lock. Okay, so this is the situation with your person currently, whoever it is. Okay, so this was my reading for my Aquarians people. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to share my channel with your friends, family, and don't forget to comment below if you liked it and if it resonated with you. And if you want any kind of personal reading, you are most welcome to join me at Instagram. Follow me at Instagram. Contact me over there. Tarot with Soumya. Over here, I am a mysterious girl, Soumya. So, see you soon with my next reading, guys. Bye-bye, Aquarians. Love you all.